Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 2 times 8 divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. And the 2 times 4 equals 8. So 8 divided by 8 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and the one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one division. Okay, here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. So we have 8 divided by 2, then times 4. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So we have 4 times 4, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.